Welcome to a quick demonstration of Review Assist. You can see here we've got a bunch of pending requests. I'm going to filter down to a specific data product. So there's a simple RA test data product that clearly I set up for this demo. And you can see that we've done a bunch of determinations for requests here, such as Anna and Bob were denied, so were Dale and Aaron, and a bunch of other people were approved. What I'm not showing here is that Aaron, Dale, Bob, and Anna were all denied because they're in the group intern, and these other folks were not in the group intern. So I've got this request from Cleet that's sitting out here. Cleet is also not an intern. So when I click on Cleet's request, you can see, if he answered the questions in the request form. I can see which data sources he's trying to get access to with this request, and I can continue to the determination. When I do this, Review Assist is going to kick in and give me a recommendation based on this history over here. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the determination. You can see AI Review Assist gave me a low risk score and said you can go ahead and approve Cleet. And it actually fills out the justification for me. So of course I could edit this. I could change it to a deny if I wanted to. I could change it to a temporarily approve. Or I can just accept what it gave me. And again, it's basing this off of the determination history, and you can see these same denials and approvals. And some of the, for example, if I look at the Aaron reason why she was denied is because she's an intern, not appropriate for interns, but also they're in the intern group. And so it saw that Cleet wasn't in it, and that's why it gave me this approved recommendation. So this obviously can help stewards because it gives them confidence that they're being consistent with other determinations made by other stewards. And over time, you can begin to trust this and quickly move through your determinations or your requests, I should say. Okay, thanks for watching.